Unpack the phrase, bite back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, bite back. Stay tuned as we explore its usage, nuances, and some examples to help you master this expression. Let's get started. When we hear the word bite, we often think of the literal action performed by our teeth. However, in the world of idioms, phrases take on a figurative sense. Bite back can also mean to respond sharply or defensively to someone who has been aggressive or critical towards you. It's like a verbal retaliation, symbolizing a counterattack with words. Understanding when and how to use bite back can help you sound more like a native speaker. This phrase is typically used in more informal settings. For example, if someone makes a sarcastic remark about your work, and you respond with an equally sarcastic comment, you are biting back. It's all about giving a response that has a bit of a sting to it. Let's look at some examples to see how bite back works in actual sentences. 1. The politician didn't hesitate to bite back at the reporter's challenging questions. 2. After being teased by her brother, Sarah bit back with a witty comeback. 3. The customer bit back when he felt the service was not up to standard. These examples show that bite back can be used in various situations, whether playful, serious, or confrontational. In some cultures, biting back can be seen as rude or inappropriate, while in others, it's a sign of wit and confidence. It's important to understand the social context and the relationship between the people involved when using or interpreting this phrase. Knowing when to bite back and when to hold your tongue is a valuable social skill. And there you have it. Bite back is a versatile phrase that adds a punchy element to your English communication. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expression and style. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to bite back in your next English debate. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.